Good morning, friends. All of my clients canceled today, so we are going to be doing my hair. We're gonna take her a little bit darker and we're gonna do something to my peekaboo. I don't really know what yet. The last time that I tried to lighten it, I didn't have really great results. It was very kind of orangey. You can check my last video on when I did it the first time. So I've just been applying greens over it and letting it grow down. But today I think we're going to pull it back up to the root, and then we're also going to lighten through the green to see what other options I have with the color. So we're going to start by sectioning out my peekaboo. I took it on a diagonal back, then parted it behind my ear. This part behind my ear is going to section off, so then this is just going to be where I'm leaving the peekaboo. So last time I did my peekaboo, I did teasy lights, but today I'm actually gonna try air touch. I've never done air touch on myself, so we'll see how it goes. And I think I'm a really good candidate because I have a lot of postpartum new hair growth, so I think I'll have a lot kind of falling out. And then I'm doing lightener 20 volume, and I put Olaplex #1 in with my lightener. I never lighten anyone, including myself, especially myself, without Olaplex. No, I think I got it. Thank you though. Since we air touched out, but this is still green, I'm just gonna kind of go in and hit where that is and like balayage it up. So one of the things that I've learned with air touch is doing the smaller sections helps so much. You don't have such a hard time kind of getting those little hairs that you blow out to cooperate with you. So we're keeping the sections pretty thin. Ow, just poked myself in the eye. So these little pieces getting blown out, these will stay out of the highlights. And then we'll just highlight this whole thing as one big chunk.
Are you gonna green again?
I don't know. I'm gonna just lighten it and see, because last time it was so orange.
Really?
Yeah, like when I lifted it, it was very like orangey. I'm using equal parts 3G and 3NB from Redken Shades EQ. I've been doing demis on my hair, but I've been doing like a level 4-ish, like 3.5, 4, so I'm going a little bit darker this time. And we're just gonna be applying this to literally everything else other than my little peekaboo section. Time to do our first foil check. All right, that's looking like something. So we're gonna let everything just process until the shades is done. I'm gonna let the shades go for 20 minutes, and then I think we'll probably just pull this and go with whatever it's light enough to take. Here is just our raw lift. The shades is all processed. I just shampooed my hair. Always an adventure shampooing myself, but we got her done. So for the peekaboo, we're living in like blondie green. I feel like my root area came up pretty nice. The ends are holding on to that like blue green, obviously they always do. So now I'm going to just dry the peekaboo. I'm not going to dry all of this yet because it's probably going to get wet again when I rinse out whatever color I end up putting. So we're going to dry this and then kind of get a visual for what we're working with. Now I just have straight Blue Muse in my bowl, and that should be deep enough to get all of this one nice color. I have a meeting that I have to be on with the Pulp Riot group in like 30 minutes, so we want to try to get this on pretty quick so it has time to process. I doubt I'll be done in time for it to be like fully dried and styled and everything before the call, but we'll get as close as we can. So excited. I just saw how the blue is gonna look. Hang on, let me pull this off so it's not against the dark background. But look at how cute she is. I have not been this excited over a hair color in a really long time. I used to always do blues and greens on myself. I mean, obviously greens, but like blue was my other comfort color. And I thought I was hitting that close enough with the green, but come on. I cannot. I cannot. I love her. One of my favorite things about Peekaboos is just how versatile it is. So I can always see it just a little bit from it being right where my face frame is. But then if I do any part flipping, whenever I wear her up, she just pops. Thank you so much for hanging out and keeping me company while I did my hair. Let me know down in the comments if you like the blue or if you think I should have stayed with the green. Don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos, hair content, tutorials, behind the scenes, vlogs every single week. So don't forget to subscribe so we can hang out again. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.